everyone. What up, chat? What up, chat? Hope you guys are doing well. Good morning. Now, before we get started, need to update the record because again we have changed the record again. We've took another win. For me, probably a very good trade. However, I was kind of busy with work and didn't have time to look, so I kind of had to just close straight away. But I went to TP anyway. I did tell the chat if they wanted to hold, which is great. And that was like 23 pips, 25 pips, which is good. I only got 12 out of it. So monthly record here, 5 wins. Now we're at 6. So again, not looking bad. And again, looking at the journal over here, you know, it's looking pretty good considering we haven't actually taken many trades over 10 pips, which is normally quite weak. Normally I get like 20 pips, 25. That's not bad. It's not bad already, you know. Again, if I took a loss, normally my losses would manage like 30 pips, 40 pips. So we're doing well. And yeah, we've got to continue. So let's get ready for this. Well, which one should we start off first? Let's just take a look at the chat 1 second. Just gonna check something. Yeah. I'm just gonna check on TikTok 1 second. Store chat. There you go. So good morning, everyone. Hope you guys are doing well. And ready for another day. Another day, another dollar. Let's see what we can get over here. Let's take a look and see what we could get. Okay. Why am I not live? Tickety tick tick tick. Maybe it's because I am. Doo-doo. Let's see. There we go. Yeah, I think that looks pretty reasonable. Okay, so good morning, everyone. Hope you guys are doing well. And let's get into this. So first thing that we always have to do at the start of the day is check the news, okay? Checking the news helps out to see where potentially issues are going to be in the day in terms of taking trades and where you maybe want to avoid. So, you know, in terms of right now, we have core PPI, okay? Core PPI at 12.30. Changing the price of finished goods and services sold by producers, okay? So kind of looking at inflation here. Yeah, going to be interesting. Changing the total value of sales at retail level, so just overall core retail sales as well. Previously it was minus 0.6, now it's 0.5. So, you know, now it's suggesting 0.5 for the forecast. So that's quite a big jump. So expecting, you know, if these numbers do come about, some good volume, some good movement will be today. Unemployment claims are looking like pretty similar, but yeah, retail sales are looking much more positive for the forecast. So again, if the real actual numbers come out positive for retail sales, then you're going to see some bullish movement in the US and bearish movement on gold. Okay, that's how it works, dog. Okay, let me get rid of all this. We'll start fresh. And yeah, we'll start on gold because gold's looking good now. It's looking interesting. So again, as we always start on gold, you know, go through the monthly time frame. Again, we have resistance here, okay? Okay, we had resistance here. So we had resistance here. We were playing in this zone again. We came up to the high, came back down, retested, got liquidity to then push and break and fill the wick to the left-hand side. Did this very quickly through March. We expected it to do that. Yeah, once we broke the high, again, we didn't really close above, so it was just literally a push, which is fine. But yeah, overall still bullish on gold on the monthly, okay? Nothing really here I need to say. It's been looking like this for a while now. Now, take a look at the weekly time frame. So the weekly, right, we've got 2 days left. We've got 2 days left, and the weekly right now is bearish. It's made a lower wick, though. Okay, so again, is this the lower wick to then reflip and drive? I don't know, it could be. Why is it saying low quality, bro? Well, I can zoom it back out then, 1 second. Fuck's sake. 1 second. I'll do it like this. Sorry, TikTok's just aggy that I don't have the portrait looking reasonable, which is a bit annoying. I'll do it like this. Okay. So yeah, the weekly time frame here made a lower wick. It is bearish right now, so do remember that it is bearish. But yeah, maybe to reflip, break the high, fill the wick. That would be quite nice. That's like 300 pips away. So again, an opportunity. Let's take a look then at the daily. So the weekly and the monthly haven't really told me anything different from the previous times. But yeah, looking at the daily, this is where it starts to get juicy, okay? The daily time frame, you can see the past one over here closed bearish, then yesterday we closed bullish. Okay, so, you know, what does that show to me? Well, it shows potentially that we're making some sort of support, right? Because we came down, bearish candle. We then didn't break the low. Okay, we didn't break the high either, but we closed bullish. So suggesting that we're making some sort of support. So realistically, what I think in today is potentially making a lower wick, okay, to then reflip and push bullish. Okay, that would be reasonable. Back to the high, back to the wick fills. That for me would be realistic, right? That would be realistic. So yeah, if I can get that, that would be pretty good. That would be pretty good. Okay. So yeah, where is it going to wick to? Well, let's take a look at the lower time frame. So right now, let's write on the daily. Okay, let's write some daily resistance. Right, daily resistance is here. So I'm going to write this as a yellow line over here. Yellow line, and again, support is here. So yeah, at the moment we're trading in this range on the daily time frame, right? Now, let's take a look further. Let's go to the lower time frame, 4-hour time frame. Same kind of thing. We'll start to draw some sort of rectangles on here now for the support. This is a very strong level, 21.57. The buys yesterday here, I think Don took them, and I think a lot of people in my group took them. They were good. I think I would have got in. I would have got in on this candle here. I think this hourly closure, low wick, flip, reflip, fill the wick. I think I would have got that one. That one was good. I quite liked. I quite liked that one. So yeah, in terms of Goldie over here. 1 second. Let me just sort this fucking shit out, bro. Let me sort this shit out. Sorry guys, I'm just fucking around with this stupid thing. It's a bloody pain in the ass to tell you that. That's one of my actions for this week, to fucking sort this shit out. Right. So yeah, looking at the hourly here, you can see that, yeah, we came up, we pushed. This was a very clean zone, amazing. And then we sort of struggled, right? We sort of struggled when we came up to here. Okay, you can maybe put it here, you can maybe put it there. But again, you know, pretty obvious in terms of this level, because again, it was just the support to the left-hand side turning into resistance, and that's why we struggled. Okay, so now obviously we're making the low wick of the daily. Now, you know, are people taking sells here? For me, it doesn't make sense to take sells there. Why? Well, because again, we know the daily's just making the lower wick, right? So at any point, this can hold support and then start to continue bullish. So I think that would be a risky business if you're looking to take sells right now. I think supports are going to be a little bit more in favor. Now, where would that support potentially occur? Well, if you look to the left-hand side, we had something here, didn't we? We had these sort of areas. So, or even a deeper one, you can maybe do here. So, you know, anywhere in those areas you could potentially come to make the lower wick of the daily, and that would be good, right? And then once you start to get closures back above, you can maybe look to take some buys. Now, where would you take them? I mean, I know we have a support here as well. A buy above up to 2171. 2171. If you got a closure above that zone, it would be a fake out back in the zone. What happens when we drive? Well, we drive at least 24 pips, sometimes 49. So yeah, I mean, for me, if we got that hourly closure back above and the 4-hour reflipping bullish, I think we could drive into this zone. So potential early buys above. Yeah. Because it goes with my plan. So again, like, I feel like fake outs and stuff like that, you can take them, they're very, very good, and they're actually really good for R2R. However, you've got to make sure it makes sense with your higher time frames, and this one does for me. If we tap back down to this level, we come back, close above, we've got the volume to reject off the support. If you close above here, we should drive, and obviously break even area would be, you know, here. Right? Because you have a little bit of resistance there, and maybe you could take some positions off at that point. But yeah, I think that could be okay. In terms of above, I mean, there's a lot of resistance here as well, which I don't really like. So I think in terms of like maybe a buy, you could maybe... it's hard, man. It's very, very hard, because the reason is because the left-hand side, the support you can see is like right around here. Okay, it's like holding here. However, there's a resistance here, there's resistance there. It's a little bit hard. I think you'd have to wait for maybe a closure above all this crap. 2178. Okay, and then does that make that zone a little bit easier? Still got this little bit of an issue here. However, I mean, the zone above, we could run it to, I mean, break even would be there, 2180, and then obviously to fill this resistance would be okay. So yeah, there's opportunities later on. I think I just got to see some sort of structure form for this lower wick on the daily, and then the buys maybe back up would be great news for me. What up, boys? What up, SE? What up, Cesar? Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you're having a great day so far. Yeah, hope you guys are having a great day, man. And yeah, realistically now on Goldie, we just got to kind of wait. I've got to wait for some candles to close. But yeah, right now, obviously, we are bearish. I'm bullish for the day. So again, it's kind of a waiting process for me. But once this 4-hour reflips, then the drive back above would be cool. And yeah, if we obviously in the daily start to come down and break the previous low, then again, we can look for sells. Now, sells would come probably from, yeah, I mean, a little bit further below. I don't really like these wicks here. Areas with the wicks like this, oof, could be a little bit hard. So yeah, I'm not really too bothered about sells and gold at the moment. I still think we're very bullish, and I think the weekly is going to flip, right? So that is what I suggest. Beautiful. So let's just wait out on that. Again, there is news later on. But I do think once we start getting the push on gold, it's going to be pretty simple for today. Now, GJ, let's take a look. Let me have a drink of this coffee over here. Coffee. How's work lately, sir? Oh my god, so busy, bro. Man is working overdrive. I'm doing TikToks, everything. Everything. The fuck? Why can I hear myself in there? Yeah, man. Holy fuck, my brother's video, 3.9k. Yeah, shout out to my brother, man. He made a video. This is so good, right? He has been trying to just make some content on YouTube, but doesn't really know what to post. So he was kind of just splurging out things. But again, and look at this, how many subscribers he's just gained. He's just gained 200 subscribers, right? This is amazing. Look how many videos he's done with barely any views in. Barely any views. You know, every so often you'd have a couple, but you know, he couldn't find his demographic. And then he finds his niche. He finds his kind of comedy, and it was proper. I mean,
nuclear warhead.
It's like funny history. But look at that, 500. Look at all the comments, bro. That is amazing. This guy needs more views. Internet historian too. When is he not around? Yeah, so proud, man. That's fucking class, bro. That is sick. So let's take a look at GJ. GJ is, yeah, actually GJ's probably looking better than gold, to be honest with you. So again, I'm gonna go through this quickly because we know this already. I've spoken about it 13 billion, thousand, trillion, matillion times. Okay, monthly time frame very bullish. Now it's even looking better now because again we made the lower wick, but again closed above, lower wick. You know what happened when we made a lower wick before? Same kind of area. We pushed up and we drove to here. So again, I am bullish on good GJ. And I do expect that this monthly candle should end up like up here. Okay? So again, bullish confirmation on the monthly. Does that mean I can just take a buy off the rip for a month? No. Okay, gotta look at the lower time frame. Okay, let's take a look at the weekly more in depth, right? So in terms of here, yeah, we had a resistance here. We came down to it again actually yesterday. And that's where I actually took my buy yesterday as well. We tapped it, rejected, we pushed back up. So again, we're holding support. So realistically, this weekly should probably drive now to 191. We've came down to this resistance twice. Once there last week, and then twice and for this week, okay? So if I know that we are holding that level, and we've just turned bullish, we flipped bullish, making it a lower wick, we should fill this zone. And for me, that is where I want to take my trades on GJ, okay? So again, painting the picture, I want this candle, it's made the lower wick, it's rejected the previous zone, we're overall bullish, we should fill this range. Which again, if you just go back to the monthly time frame, what does that mean? It means you're going to fill this wick and going to continue bullish on the monthly, just like we expect, okay? So that is great news. Now, how are we going to get it? How are we going to get this trade? How are we going to get it? Let's take a look at the daily. Okay, now I'm going to start to draw on some things. I mean, on weekly I could draw on zones, but again, daily is kind of going to show me a little bit more. So, we are already pulling bullish, which is great. We had resistance here, which we respected. You can see right here, respected. Bullish candles, breaking the previous highs, never breaking the previous lows. This is good. GJ is pushing right now, which is amazing. Let's take a look to the lower time frame. The 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, we have some resistance here. Okay, this is the major resistance which we have respected in recent times. Okay, so let's just put this on. I'm gonna do this as a daily res because no, it's not really a daily res. It's 4-hour. Let me change this to blue. Yeah, beautiful. So this obviously is a resistance, which we've got to be careful for. That'll be once we break the daily highs. However, let's take a look to the left-hand side and see how we really look. So, you know, again, what do we look before? Well, what happened before, right? We closed above, we drove. We closed above our line, we kind of didn't drove. So I'm going to move this a little bit higher here to make it make sense for me, like here. So closing above that area there makes sense, right? Because if you look now, closure above, drive, okay? Closure above, drive, okay? This is bearish or whatever. This nearly closed above and drove anyway. So I can theoretically look and go, right, this is right now the resistance level. If I want to take buys above, I've got to wait for at least a closure above that line. And once we get a closure, how do we drive? Well, this one here drove, rejected here. So, you know, I need to remember that there was resistance here before. So let's just draw this line on here. Okay. Now let's take a look again to this side, right? We pushed up and then we kind of rejected to the support, which is here. So again, if I want to take trades, in my hypothesis here, it makes sense for me to just take a buy from there and close there, right? Because every single time we push, we start to have an issue at that area, okay? So again, once you look to the left and do proper analysis, you can see where you should hold your trades. Again, we move very quickly in this area, which is great news. So again, yeah, if I get a closure above 690, I'm going to ride it to 950, which is actually, yeah, like a 30 pip zone. That's great. That's great. So yeah, I'm going to write on here, 1 second, buys above. And that would be great, because again, and again, it's kind of putting things together, right? It's not the fact that I'm just looking above a certain line and going, yeah, that makes sense, I could take a buy. It's other stuff, because again, from the start, we know the monthly's made the lower wick to flip and drive. We know the weekly time frame has held support, rejecting the previous zone. We know the daily candles are closing bullish and we're breaking the previous highs. Once we come to my level to take a buy on, we're going to have broken the daily high already, the previous daily high. So again, there is a lot of confluence with my trade here. It's not the fact that I'm just taking a buy, you know, above a level. It's so much more than that. And again, you know, that's just looking to the left hand side and finding your zones. So that's fine. Again, would I want to take sells anywhere? No. The only place I'd want to take sells is if we get below this level. Okay, it would be below this level. It would probably be a 4-hour closure as well, because this zone's very, very strong. And then what would happen if we close below? Well, look to the left hand side. We drive pretty much down to here, right? This is our next kind of big level of support. There's a little bit of a minor support in these areas here, maybe like there. So that's where I'd probably go break even, or maybe want to closure below that level. Okay, so that's pretty simple for the sells. But yeah, right now GJ is looking bullish, which is a great success. Okay, so yeah, now we just got to be patient. We got to be patient. Have a little patience. Morning, boss. Morning. Japan is increasing rate, leaving negative rates apparently, something to consider there too. Okay, beautiful. Look at my chart. Okay, we will. 32 viewers already, guys. Amazing stuff for this morning. Make sure you like the stream. If you guys like the analysis, again, full analysis in the morning. And again, if you actually looked at every single analysis I've done since I've came back, they're pretty much on fleek. Okay. What the fuck is this? Trading account. I don't want to look at your trading account, bro. What the fuck is this? Ah, is it because I deleted the M? Am I on like a dodgy website, bro? There we go. What the fuck was that? Previous 4-hour support become now resistance. Yep. You're planning to buy if we flip, but we can't. The candle go down. I'm planning to buy if we reflip. It's not that I'm buying on the reflip of the 4-hour in terms of that's my trade. It's just that's another extra confluence with the fact that we'll be faking out back into this zone. Okay, so it isn't the fact that I'm taking it just because the 4-hour is going to flip. The previous one was bearish, right? It's the fact that, you know, it could be extra confluence that we are flipping the 4-hour, rejecting a zone that we may be tapping, which is down here, 2165, and that will make my confluence for the daily to reflip, which is what I want to expect and will happen, hopefully. Okay, the daily reflipping. And again, because my overall confluence of the day is that the daily closed bullish, this one's making a lower wick. We should reflip, break the highs, and continue. Okay, so it's an overall analysis. It's not the fact that I'm just taking it on the flip of the 4-hour. It's that I wouldn't mind a fake out back into that zone when the volume comes after we've touched this support. Okay? And why do I say after? Well, because again, this is the next support. Here, if we just started to make support randomly here and closing above, that doesn't mean we're going to continue bullish. It needs to tap support, reject, then go bullish. So it's a waiting game. It's a waiting game. It's a waiting game. So yeah, we'll keep an eye out for it, yeah? And yeah, watching GJ come up, But again, once you do your analysis for the day as well, I mean, it makes things a little bit easier for later on because you know your zones. Like, I was at work yesterday trying to take that GJ buy, and I used my analysis from Tuesday to take it because it still stood. So as long as you do the analysis correct and you know what's going on, then anything after, you know, people are saying things, you know, you should be able to explain with it at the T, you know, where you're going to close, what you're going to get. Like, I know if GJ closes above here now, I'm going to take a trade from there to there, probably close, you know, once we start to get to the high of the zone. Where would I go break? Sorry, where would I put my stop? That's a good one. That's a good one. So, how would I go about putting my stop if I took a buy above? Okay, so, I mean, in terms of what I would do is this, right? If you look to the left-hand side when we close above, right? There's a couple things, you know? This one had a big wick, so it looked like maybe news. Yeah, it was 1 o'clock. Okay, that's fine. But realistically, in terms of the range before we break above, it's this one here, right? So we kind of go high here, kind of here. And in recent times, it's been like kind of here, right? A little bit lower in this one, and then we break back up. So if I want to have a logical stop, anything above this area here is silly because the trade could still work, right? We still drive up. So it would probably be something below here. Yeah. Probably something below there. Because that's where I'm going to have some sort of issues. So I just put my stop here. Let's take a look and see how that looked. Yeah, so then I'd probably look on the 4 hour and go, right. If this 4 hour closed above, I'd probably put my stop there. Yesterday my stop was there. So it's just looking to the left hand side to see where it's worked before and where it hasn't when it's broken below, and that should be your stop. And again, I discussed yesterday on the trade that I took. Okay, my stops are big at the start. However, if I see things that are not good, I will manage, right? So yesterday there was a couple issues. We had a little bit of a bearish closure, and I was watching it. If we close bearish back below here, okay, so if this candle here closed like that, I would have just managed there. Okay, and I would have saved myself, like, I don't know, whatever. If it closed anywhere below there, I would have managed. So my stop is there for safety and safety only. I will manage accordingly depending. It's just there in case we get a big push or whatever, right? For the most part, I'll manage. You know. Morning, boss. Morning, Jacob. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing well. Thanks for the chart. No bother. No bother at all. Yeah, now it's just a waiting, patient game to wait for your levels, right? Oh my god, guys, right? I know TikTok is on here right now, but what I realized was TikTok is a bunch. I mean, not a bunch, right? There's some people on there who are just fucking vexed, right? So what I'm gonna do in the next couple things.
You clearly want to talk to me. How can I help you?
Oh my god. Yeah, in the next couple videos I'm gonna do, I am going to stop loss is gonna be above the previous zone. Start to troll them a bit, right? So they got vexed about this one, how my stop was like 50 pips and I only took 13 out of it, even though it did drove like 15, 16. Yeah, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna bullshit. I'm gonna like fake where I put my stop. I'm gonna like put it up at the moon, like, you know, edit a moon on there and stuff, and really piss them off. Cause man, the engagement's so much better when they rage. Like, look, negative 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 like bruh. Are you guys so dumb? Do you ever, does any of you guys go to school? Any of you? Did any of you finish school? Did you? And then they say like, oh, but one losing trade takes out 3 losing trades. I'm like, yes, and I've taken 6 winners already this week, this month. So again, it's fine. And again, as they don't fucking realize, I will manage. Like, I will manage if things don't look good. Okay, I only give it the room because what I've noticed is in my previous trading, I was getting stopped out too early, and then it would work, and it was like, for fuck's sake, my stops are, generally the only reason I would have tight stops is for people to just say, oh, it's a reasonable RR. Like, fuck that shit. Why was I doing it to just contemplate some other people? I'll do what I want to do. So yeah, it's kind of that mentality of not listening to any fucker because it can ruin you, which it did for me. You know, like, I wouldn't get into a trade because, oh, the RR was off. Like, what the fuck is going on? Look to the left hand side, take my trade like I've always done for 4 or 5 years. Manage when it goes to drawdown. Risk management is key for any RR or win rate. Yeah, exactly. Who gives a fuck if my win rate's like 1 to 0.5, but then I manage losers like for fucking 10% of the stop when it goes wrong. It's like, I just give it room, bruh. And again, it's all based on the left hand side, not just some fucking R to R stupid statistic bullshit. You know? Bye. What's that? You've been following since 2022. Oh, thank you very much, Mohali. Yes. Most of them still in primary school. Yeah, exactly, bro. Sometimes you just have to have a little reset and all that kind of stuff. Yes, sir. Love you. Bye. See you later, alligator. Alright. Whatever. I'm sick of this. Sick of trying to make this, Okay. So we have 50 minutes left until 8 o'clock. It will be interesting to see where we close. Just look like we're pretty far away from it right now, which is fine. Don't you worry about that, dog. Don't you worry about that. Let's leave that here. and then we'll get the chat on. I think I realized I like doing the analysis, taking the trade, and then adding people and chatting after. Feel it's a little bit more chill. It's a little bit chiller, dog. Yes, gym was yesterday was good, and you? Yes, gym was good. I actually wanted to go this morning, however, Caitlin woke me up at 4 AM saying I was snoring, so I kind of had no sleep. I can't get no sleep. So I was not up for it this morning. Yeah, and I'm working so hard at the moment, I kind of just give myself some sort of, sometimes just a bit of chill out, man. I'm working on like 3 social media accounts, and it's just a lot. And helping out other people as well, and doing a 9 to 5, like, bro, man is grinding. Man is grinding. Man is grinding. But yeah, so far it's been good. I mean, again, I like the good thing about this is that I don't have to push anything really. Like, I say I have the signals and stuff, but I don't really mind. Like, again, I'm just putting my trades on there. If you want to copy them, go for it. If not, that's all good. I just want to help people out. It's less pressure now, which is sick. But it is only $29.99, and you do the maths. I've only had 6 winners, 72 pips. 72 pips already. For $29.99. That's literally like a takeaway, bro. Again, with all the analysis. And you'll have access to all my trades as well for Trello, which will be up next week. So if you guys haven't checked it out, make sure to do so. Here's the link here, boy. The cheapest it'll ever be, and then it will go up, because I know it's gonna hit 100 pretty soon, and then we'll have to take advantage of that. Yeah, my gym yesterday was good, man. I did shoulders. Yeah, on my Max Mind Body channel, I'm gonna start to really format what I want to do with that bad boy. But it will be, I'm gonna do a road to 100k bench press, which will be fun. My bench is so weak compared to anything else, bro. My bench, like dumbbells, fine. I can do like 40s, 45s on each side. Like, that's chill. But a fucking bench, I don't know. Something about it. Just, I feel it because it's more triceps towards the end of the sets. It's very tricep heavy. So I've been working on the triceps. The triceps are, like, I'm doing like skull crushers, like fucking 45s on. So I don't know, man. But yeah, stay tuned for that journey. Stay tuned, stay tuned. Oh my god, this guy on TikTok as well. I made a video about him. But yeah, if you guys haven't known already, I am sober. Sorry, I haven't been drinking. Yeah, I haven't been drinking. And this guy here single-handedly made me not want to drink for another month.
Pain which I've never experienced.
Look how hungover that dude is. He even replied as well. Look how hungover that motherfucker is. If you don't know already, that is great. That is great. I just need to be less. I'm a bit too, like, I don't know. It's not as funny. Like, I just gotta find the niche and stick with it. But fucking hell, it's hard. So hard. I think it's coming from like a serious talk on trading to like this. It's hard to change, but yeah. Oh my god, he's got 406 subscribers, boy. It's going up. It's running up. 15 likes, guys, in the chat. Make sure to like the stream if you haven't already. If you haven't already, like the stream. But yeah, we are kind of just waiting for some sort of volume here for both of them. Again, we have 8 minutes left for London Open. Should give it a little bit of boost of energy, hopefully. That would be great news. So we'll see. We will see. Yeah, today I'm going to do legs later on, I think. Yeah, legs later on. I think that would be perfect for me. Yeah, because at the moment I've got shin splints, so I can't really like do any like leg works apart from I could do workouts. I just can't run. Like, they are killing, man. I wanted to play football yesterday, but I was having none of it. So how's this hourly gonna close? Yeah, I mean, again, it's gonna close bullish, right? Probably, actually. It's got 6 minutes left. It is rejecting a little bit, but again, I just need to wait until we get above that area, and then I'm gunzoed. So what I would do later on is, again, because I'm working, I would just have a buy on there. And basically, what I kind of do with the work thing is, like, you know, when I've got a trade going, I'll just use that for lunch, and then it'll be chill. It'll be chill, bruh. It will be chill, bruh. What kind of is this? Can I hear this? Oh, I can hear that from me. Okay, chat. Let's take a look and see. Is there any news tomorrow? Let's take a look. We have Empire State Manufacturing looking like -7 forecast. Very, 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 very negative. Prelim consumer sentiment as well. So yeah, not too bad for a Friday. Normally Friday is a little bit nasty. And yeah, and I like this. This is good. I like news that's 12:30 because it means when you do yeah, when it does come out, you still got like 2-3 hours after for it to find its direction, which I like. I don't really like it when it's like 3 o'clock or 2:30. It's a little bit too late. Yeah. Why do you only show Trader View? Because that is why I want to, bro. And the good thing about this now is I don't give a single shit. But if you are interested, I am going to be doing a series which is starting probably in April, where I do a Blueberry Markets and go through it, the whole terminal, show you how to grow a £3,000 account. But again, as I say, I've just came back, just starting up. But yeah, in April we will do that, and that'll be fun. You'll see the journey of it and how we can grow it. And also, yeah, I'm going to show like how to, again, add to the account every single month. You know, what's a substantial, what's a reasonable way you can do that, and it'll be hunky dory. The reason why I show TradingView is because it's so damn easier to fucking mark. So, and again, I learned from TradingView. When I learned from Raja and other people, we all use TradingView, so I kind of just stick with it, you know. It's nicer. I hate using a trader. I actually only use it when I have to fucking put a trade on. I hate it. It's shit. The way moving left to the left hand side, it's just not fluid enough. But yeah, I mean, again, a day left for this weekly to close. When it closes bullish, or if it closes bullish, that'll be great for the next week as well to continue. So that is positive, positive, positive. So yeah, 3 minutes left. Let's Gucci. I think sometime this week I am going to see Dune 2 again. I think that is what I'm going to be doing. It was just so good the first time. I want to do it again. Let's full margin this open. Yes, let's do it. I really want to read the books, but I know I won't have the attention span for it, which is kind of annoying. That is my next kind of goal. The attention span, boy. What's your analysis on gold? Expected buys for today. At the moment, we're just making the lower wick on the daily time frame. So, you know, depending on how this lower wick forms, if we do reflip, it's good confirmation for us to fill this wick and then maybe continue to 2185. That's what I'm looking at. But right now, we're still bearish, right? It's nowhere near for buys yet, but that's where I could potentially look. 19 likes, guys. Let's try and get up to 30 likes if we can. Let's try and get it up, boy. So we're coming now. 20 seconds left for London Open. How is GJ gonna close? Yeah, it's still not there yet. But again, we know our plan. We know what we're gonna do. Well, I know what I'm gonna do. When it comes to it, beforehand, it's just chill, bro. And actually, once you get that, it's much easier to chill out. However, the issue is if you only trade for the day, then you're gonna be looking more, and it's like, bro, all I gotta do is just know about that zone. It's so much easier. Either it may flip or continue bearish to correct the bullish move to your support. Yeah, well, I hope it pushes down first, to be honest. Just to give me that real low wick and then reflip. I mean, it is making a little bit of issue on this resistance, which is reasonable. Yeah, if I do this like this, yeah, it's still kind of holding its support. But I just thought it would come a little bit further down. We'll see. Still got a lot of time. I still got plenty of time. Plenty of time. What are people doing today then, chat? Are you guys going to the gym? What is your plans for today? As I say, I think I'm going to go to the gym much later on. So looking at the hourlies, you can see here the hourly candles are very, very small, suggesting not much bearish volume here. Interesting. Yeah, a lot of rejection wicks. So maybe the start of it already. We'll see. Got some Chinese news as well. And yeah, the reason why I don't really care about the buys a little bit earlier is this garbage here. I know we push very, very quickly here and here. I just don't really like how there's a lot of wicks. I'd rather just wait until we get a closure above there, and then we can drive. That would be much easier for me, I think. Make things a little bit easier for moi. Right, I'm gonna get the zoom on because I have a feeling it may not be the easiest day to trade yet. We might have to wait a little bit longer for NY session, but again, that's the beauty of it. We can trade all of them. We can trade all of them. You know? Da-da. Da-da-da. Do you think there may be no volume in gold until news comes out? Nah, I mean again, you just look what you see, right? If you starting to see a lack of volume, then potentially, I mean, right now the 15s are looking nasty, so yeah, you could be right. I think it's a little bit early to say that there's going to be no volume, but you know, again, London was rubbish yesterday. Could be the same thing today. Was London rubbish yesterday? I took a trade, bro. 9:27 London GJ buys. I mean, I had to hold them for an hour and a bit. Yeah, that's true. It wasn't the quickest push. Finally did it though. I knew it was gonna happen, man. Once that candle closed bullish again, I'm like, oh yes sir. Wish I held a little bit longer, but again, I couldn't really see the chart at the time, so. And I was going into a meeting. It's a bit of a dick move if I go into a meeting and don't hold my trade. I just take it. You know? Yeah, another post on Max Mind Body, right?
Ladies and gentlemen, and we are
there.
Today.
Look behind me. Well, actually, a funny thing. Look at this. Look at this dude behind me, bro. Watch this. Wait. If I move it around. Well, watch this dude right there. Wait. Look. What is that motherfucker doing? Look at him. Is he like? He's not even benching. He's just moving his legs, bro. Look. Oh, he is benching. Nice. But yeah, basically saying here, right? 6 a.m. in January. 6 a.m. in January. Everyone was there. It was fucking rammed. Okay? And now look at it. It's barren. Do you know why? Because motivation is short-lasting. Short-lasting. Motivation is useless. Okay? Because you need constant positive reassurance. Okay? You need positive reassurance constantly. If you don't get that, you're just going to give up. Right? Discipline to do the same thing every single day. Or, you know, every single week. With no external factors deciding if you're going to do it or not. Is the way to go, right? Last time I was on stream, you were skinny and no beard and doing your math degree, if I remember correctly. Oh my god. I was doing my maths degree. Fuck me. Nah, I must have finished it, bro. I only started streaming when I finished. And skinny? When the fuck have I ever been skinny? When have I ever been skinny, bro? Let's look back at the live streams. I don't think I wouldn't call myself skinny ever, unless I was like really young when I was like 18 or something. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Bro, it was from 2019. Yeah, man. Let's take a look at the live streams. Wow, streamed 2 years ago. Yeah, bro. My first one. Mate, I'm a beef dog there, bro. This is my first stream.
User has recognized support, but I also need to take into fact that the daily could be making its top wick to then actually fall down.
Yeah, good analysis, Max, man. You got lost in the way, but fucking good analysis. Again, higher time frame for me. When I had my time off, I realized I was not looking at the higher time frame enough in terms of what I used to do. And getting short tracked, and not I'm making excuses, but when I was trying to focus on other ways of getting in, I wasn't focusing on the prime things, and that's how I kind of lost it. But we're good now. Like this. God, I'm getting used to this drawing. Look at my drawing.
Get a candle. That looks like.
Wow, how old was I there, bro?
Buy the highs.
I was just turned 21, I think. Did I just turn 21? Yeah.
Any clear support. And yeah, so nothing much going on, to be honest.
That's clean candles there, bro. GJ back there. What's this? 154. Damn. Damn, son. Maybe not so skinny, lol. Don't I have a beard as well? Bruh. Maybe use Instagram, bro. Maybe Instagram, because Instagram actually was young at some time. You know? Yeah. Maybe Instagram. Instagram. So yeah, in terms of this account and growing this account, what I'm going to be doing, as I say, I'm going to be doing the blueberry market thing just to show you guys and see if it's reasonable. And again, I want blueberry market commissions if I can. So hopefully, if it's good, I can recommend it to you guys. I do already have the link there, but I want to kind of test it out myself. And what I will be doing is showing you how a normal person with a normal wage can grow this. That's what I'm going to show you. And how you do it, you know, again, it's kind of like, you know, if you get paid $2,000 a month, how much money can you put into your trading account? And what you want to do, and another thing as well, which what I also changed, is my account at one point was way too big for what I wanted, what I was comfortable with, and not the fact that I wasn't like, you know, I wasn't happy with it, and I can't, you know, manage big accounts. The issue is that my normal account, like my bank account, had like 10% of what my trading account was at one point. So it was so over. There was too much money that obviously I made in the account, but you know, it needed to be distributed differently. So now I've got it where like I'm gonna have 10% or lower, 10% or lower of my spendable, you know, money that I've got. And therefore, the money demographic is better. And obviously, how does that work in the long run? Well, every single time you start making money and stuff, you know, you add it to your normal bank, you put the savings up, you still grow the account, and then let's say you've got, let's just say hypothetically, you got 10 grand, you got 10 in your bank account. Okay. Then again, I'll have like 1-2 grand in my trading. Just makes it a little bit more. It just makes it more sense. So what I did with all that money in the trading account was just buy another house. So yeah, I'm kind of back with it. Because again, it's like the challenges and stuff are all good, but I think the best way to do it is generally just having a piece of income every month. And again, like at the end of the month, let's just say I make 8% in the month, right? Which is probably reasonable. I mean, we're halfway there. I've got about 3-4%. If I hit 8%, then what I would probably do is double it. So I'd double it every month if I could, obviously, in terms of parameters of money that you have from your job. That's probably what you'd do. So double your percentage gain. It just increases that step a little bit quicker. Gives you a pay rise every month. That's how I would do it anyway. What app are you using? What app are you using? Using TradingView, bro. Harrison. So still not much volume at the moment. You can see here a little bit slow. 50 minutes closed bullish. Got 2 bullish candles. This one's made the lower wick. looking like it's starting to get some sort of bullish juice. It's broken the previous hourly high, so we'll see if we start seeing this drive over here. And I can maybe look at it once you get above 71. Yeah, so what am I going to be filming today at the gym? Again, I've made like a sheet. Google Sheets. It's Docs, isn't it? Fuck. And what I've kind of done is like write down the things I want to talk about, but I'm going to do it in the gym and make it a bit more fun. So yeah, ideas, video, mind. I've already done a couple of them. Use ChatGPT, but I realized it's a bit too granular. It's a bit too, what's it called? Robotic. So like here today, 15th of, it's 14th, isn't it? Yeah, kind of talking about the discipline. And also being able to, yeah, doing the same thing again and not having an outcome. So for my example would be like my trading Instagram, you know, I just post my charts on there just because I enjoyed it. It was fun and I get information, get people looking and seeing how I can improve. And then now it's, you know, it's monetized. It's like, I never thought at the start I'd be monetized. I just did it because I enjoyed it. So it's kind of, again, if I went into it and wanted it to get monetized, in the first 3 months I'd probably just bail. You know, it's because I enjoyed it that it was fun to do for 2 years, and then you start getting paid from it. And I think that happens a lot in life. You've got to be disciplined to just do the same thing again and again every single day, and obviously get better as you do it. But yeah. Yeah, dog. Do do. Da 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 da. Yeah, hourly still hasn't really done much yet. Really no volume at 8 o'clock there. No volume. What do people like in trading so far in this maybe month? You know, do you like NY? Do you like London? For me, I've had 1, 2, 3, 4 London trades. 4 London trades and 3 NY. I really wanted that gold buy yesterday, but again, I was at work, so yeah. Kind of split pretty evenly there, which is good. Pretty cool, pretty cool. But again, through the year, it will switch, right? It'll switch about. It always does, man. It always does. It always switches about. Da, 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 da. Yeah, the fives. I mean, the fives are looking choppy here. A lot of wicks again. A lot of wicks showing an indecision, right? Do do. Interesting. We will see if we get above. But again, as I say, I'll just go in alerts and I'll add an alert on for later on. Just so I don't have to stare at the chart all day. When it gets up to there, I'll know exactly what I'm doing. Makes it much easier for me. Much easier. Maybe not as skinny. Then when you bought the new ASUS monitor, lol. Oh my god, when did I buy that? Fucking hell. Still a great monitor, by the way. Oh, Danny's back. How you been, man? Oh, I'm good, man. How are you? I am very good. We're doing well. We're doing well. Good start to the month. Did you take a break from streaming? Yes. I think it was like 6 months? No. It might have been 6 months, you know. October, November, December, January, February. 5 months. Yeah, man. Yeah, dog. Four hours closing in 42 minutes. That'll be quite a good decider a candle. Obviously, I'd prefer this GJ 4 hour to close something. Oh shit! Definitely not red. Yeah, something like that. I mean, anywhere there would be great. Low wick, flip. Something like that would be good. And again, when the 4 hour closes, you kind of do your analysis again, see what the score is. How's the 4 hour looking in gold? Yeah, it's still bearish. We haven't really moved at all. Down, down, down. Haven't really moved at all. Let me take a look here. Has anyone taken any trades this morning? And also, how has your week been so far? Let's take a look. Have you made money? Or have you lost money? If you have lost money in the chat, send me charts. Let's take a look. Let's see why, right? I don't know why. Like, if people take losing trades, you've got to focus on the losing trades to see what went wrong, right? Don't focus on your winning trades. The winning trades are nothing. You need to look at your losing trades. What's going wrong, right? And once you have that information, then you'll start to get much more profitable because you know what to avoid and what not to take. But I bet you right now I'll be just looking from the left hand side. Just got off an NQ long scalp. Ooh. An NQ long scalp? What does a scalp even mean, bro? Like, I know, like, it's just a small thing, but it's still a trade. It's nothing different from a fucking 200 pip trade. You're just taking your money and you're going. You know, dog. Just a quickie. Yeah, so just in and out. Well, all minor scalps then. I don't want to be in that trade for long, dog. Hell no. Hell fucking no. Okay, good stuff. Looking like GJ's starting to bring some volume in over here. Look at the 15 pushing up. Let's see if we break the previous hourly candle high. Could you take the buy and the break of the high? I mean, you could go for it. Where would you target? You'd probably target here, right? How far is that? It's like 10 pips. Look to the left. There's a lot of rejection once you get to there, so you have to go pretty quick, but you could probably do it. Yeah. But for me, I just know once we get a closure above there, I've got a quick zone to fill. And again, the zone is like 30 pips. So that's where I'm gonna wait. But again, do what you gotta do, man. Do what you gotta do. Sending you do, yeah. Yep. Okay, so now, yeah, Goldie broken the previous high, rejection wicks to the downside. It's looking promising. Yeah, 30-minute came up, 15 kind of just brought the volume in. Looking like we're starting to get some sort of volume, which is good. So we'll wait on. Good morning, Richard. Hope you're doing well. Good morning, everyone in the chat. If everyone in the YouTube puts in a like, we'll get to like 36 likes. That would be amazing. Let's grow this channel back again, man. Let's try to get to 300 viewers like last time. It'll take some time, but we'll get there. We'll get there. And again, send more charts in, right? That's the perfect thing to do. Again, losing trades are the best things to look at. So if you have a losing trade, just take a picture of it on the camera here, you know, and then send it to me, the link, and then I'll take a look. And we can go through it together. Blessed morning, bro. First time on your channel. Do you trade NY sessions? Yes, I do trade NY as well. I don't stream it anymore, but I do trade it. Yeah. So far this month, I've taken 3 trades NY and 4 trades London. Yeah, dog. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Hourly's done the breakup. Let's go. So only stream London? Yeah, bro. Yeah, streaming 2 sessions like every day was hard, bro. It was too much. Just stream 1. Same analysis, really. I mean, it doesn't take long to just redo the analysis for NY. All you got to do is look at the 4-hour closures, really, and how the daily's looking. Doesn't take too long to change it about. Right, I'm gonna quickly go get a drink of water because I haven't actually had one today, and I am gasping. But looking good. 4 minutes left for this 30. The 30, I doubt it's gonna close above, but if it does, wow, we're gonna be good. We're gonna be good. Char, when you execute, don't show MetaTrader. How can I make sure you're executing the orders, not faking it? I mean, why would I fake it? Use your brain. Why would I fake taking six wins? And anyway, they're all recorded, so it's like whatever. Like, if you need that extra confirmation for me, then fair enough. But I don't need that extra confirmation for you to join anything. You don't pay my bills. I don't give a shit. I don't care anymore, brother. I'm here to vibe, and only vibe. I know any of this negativity, it just brushes through my head like this. Man's gonna enjoy life. Made money. 68% of people made money. Good. Lost money. 32%. Okay, amazing. That's not bad stats, eh? If you take a win during London, would you come back for NY or look for positions in NY? Yeah, man. I don't. Again, like it's because there's no stress for me anymore. I'm not, I'm not stressing anything. I'm just looking at the left, bro. If there's something that I can take, there's something that I can take. There's no, oh well, I've took a trade in London, so I don't need to trade one in NY because I've already made a winning trade. Nah, I'm just looking to the left, bro. That's all I'm doing. And if there's trades that I can take, then I'll take. If there's 3 trades in a day, great. If there's 0, great. Doesn't really matter. To make money with signals, use your brain, bro. Okay, so let me just show you. So at the moment, I have probably about 6 people. I mean, the last lifetime, I have 6 people paying me £30 a month. That's £180 a month. Do you think that's gonna really change my bank balance that much? No. So I'm just doing it for people to learn whilst also making some money. Okay. So if you have an issue with that, go and PO box my address. suckmynuts@idon'tcare.com. Everything is going very well for me. And also, if you tuned in before, I said I'm going to be doing a series, so you will finally look at your MetaTrader. As I say, I'm starting it in April, so all of your queries or whatever, if you want that recognition, even though I'm already trading live, then come back in April, or I start Blueberry and see how it is with commissions and all that kind of stuff, because it will save quite a bit, especially like with gold. Right, Giles getting fucking muted, bro. Bye. Bro said, why have I got TikTok open? Because I'm live streaming, bro. Technically, even if he doesn't take the trade, the analysis is all that matters. No, if he lays out on the chart and it plays out, it's a win anyway. Exactly, bro. Exactly. How much time do you spend at the gym? Depends on what time I go. If I go in the morning, then, about an hour. If I'm like chilling and I'm doing it on the weekend, man, I could be in there for like an hour and a half just chilling. Before you leave the streams, you make 5k or more with signals. A lot of people would live. 5k. 5k? What the fuck are you talking about, bro? What is 5k? What broker do you use? IC. Yeah, I've used IC for years, bro. IC for dunks, dog. And again, I think what I discussed before was that also, as I say, I want my bank to have 90% of the funds for a trading. So right now, got a small account because again, I've just started back. We're just learning. We're just getting into the flow of things again. And what I'm doing is every single trade that I do, I'm just taking pretty much all the money out because again, I win most times. So if you look here, since March, I've already withdrawn like $1,000. And again, once I start having that leverage, when I get to like £3,000 account with 30,000 in the bank, then we'll show it because it looks amazing now. But again, it's like I don't really care. It's just how I'm doing it at the moment. Again, just started back up. Why would I whack $100,000 account on when, as I said before, I want it so my account is like 10% of my bank account. Okay. If you like Blueberry, I'll switch over maybe. Yeah, because again, the commissions on gold, it's like, be good. Do 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 do. Throw a 10 lot for the TikTok price. Again, I'm just going to do exactly what Don does. When I'm happy, when I'm comfortable doing it, I'll do it. I don't need anyone else's. He got so much shit for fucking years for that. And stuck to his guns, so that's what I'm doing. What are you trading, bro? GJ Gold is at the moment what I'm looking for. Kind of done that for years as well, so probably will just stick to that. It's just they've got a lot of volume to the times I want to trade as well. It's perf. Perfecto. So broke the high, rejected a little bit. Yeah, Donna's really good, but Percy can't wrap head around the stop loss. Yeah, he's got bigger stops, but again, it's just how he wants to play it. He wouldn't mind taking a bigger loss every so often. Again, he took what 67 win streaks. It's like it's just irrelevant. My friend was the IC markets. Yes. Yes. And why is people going at the C trader as well? I might try that out. To be honest with you, the reason why I actually don't have the terminal up is because I haven't fixed the magic keys on it anymore. It doesn't work. Does anyone have any issues with that? My magic keys doesn't work, so I'm just doing it all on my phone at the moment. Good morning! Good morning, Elohe.
Good morning.
You took a good
stop loss.
You took a good gold trade yesterday, eh, brother?
Oh my god, man.
That was beautiful though. Right, that was for me perfect area. Was it around here? Or did you get it earlier?
I take 60, I think so. Let me check.
2160.
Yes, I taken 2160.45 and I closed 5K.
45, break the hourly high, is it?
Yeah, but yeah. But I discussed on this trade yesterday with Christian. He take the same. We check in 15 minutes.
Yeah.
And we see the what he we see that there's little stairs up there, and when he just break, we
Yeah.
take it.
Yeah, it's nice. I
And
mean,
we,
and again,
and the TP final is 75, but I really close 5K because I wake up, I go back surfing and I see profit and I say, okay, I'm done.
beautiful.
But he do exactly what I expect. And yesterday night we talked about what's happening today. We, what's happened for me. He broke in the 58 the other day
Hmm.
in 1 hour and 4 hour. And when he broke in the 58 and the 59, for my personal opinion, it's very possible that he go back down to 45 again.
Yeah. Yeah, I think when we close below. Again, it depends on
And
this daily, doesn't it?
he coming back to my 50% line, this 73, 75. And what happened? He coming back down again.
Yeah.
That's my point. For this, I don't trade today.
Yeah, it's a
How
little...
you feeling, my big boy?
Good, bro. How are you?
I'm great.
Very
I'm great.
nice.
Yeah, just leave the kids in the school right now. Just watch a little bit of American. Maybe go to surfing storm waves.
Oh, the storm
Yeah.
waves.
Yeah, the storm wave is crazy because you have a long paddle to the outside.
Oh, it's a big paddle, is it?
Yeah, I'm freezing, bro.
Wow.
Because every wave broken, you need to pass, And sometimes you do like a 200 dog drives. That's when you dog behind the wave.
Wow.
And man, you feel that you have the hair like ice cream.
Wow.
And people on YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah, boy.
Don't forget to put some like. It's the same easy that you make money. Give him some likes, send some hugs to this beautiful guy in the stream with the green shirt. Mr. Max.
So it's the wave's not dangerous though, bro.
I don't give a shit, man. The life is danger. The life is danger.
Yeah.
Have a wife is danger. Have a kid is danger. I see your trade. I see your GG yesterday trade.
Yeah, man, it was nice.
You love GG.
Yeah, GJ is just nice for pushes, bro. This one here. Yeah, left and side was clean above. It's good. Yeah, GJ took 4 of them. I missed gold, man. I really wanted the gold buys yesterday.
I think I lost yesterday. I didn't go.
Did you? You thinking more buys, like holding 70? You're muted, lawyer. You are muted. Is he on a call with someone, maybe?
I take 3 short losses this week.
Not bad, not bad.
Yeah, not bad. Still in profit.
Exactly. As long as you've got a good RR, which you do, you're good, boy.
Bro, if I tell you what's happened with me this week, you wanna kick my balls, bro.
Why?
Because the other day I see a fucking huge opportunity to make profit in one crazy trade.
Mm-hmm.
When gold dropped the other day 200 pips.
Uh-huh.
so quickly, so fucking quickly. I don't know if it's a news or not. I don't know.
Yeah.
And then I'm fucking watching my phone and see the stuff. And when I see he drop, I take a trade.
Mhm.
But I changed the lot of that and I take three.
Mm.
I really changed the five and put three, but I forget to put the point,
Mm. Oh.
the little point. But I put as a very short stop loss, very short stop loss.
Mm.
Uh, and when and I enter the trade, and when I see the candle, because he dropped 200 pips, and I take a buy very deep, and I see the fucking candle just go back up. And when I close my trade, and when I see the numbers on my trade, I think, what the fuck? Because I put 3.5, like a 3 lots and a half.
Mhm.
But I don't put 3 lots and a half. I put 35.
Mm. Yeah.
And I close very, very faster. And I make a fucking huge profit.
Boy.
But I feeling disgusting the all day because I make a huge mistake that's compromise my account if I don't have
Yeah.
a lot in the time.
Exactly. Very true.
Uh,
I say, bro. If you want to do like news fun, just make a new account and just play it with that one. So if it does go tits up, it isn't gonna
I know
fuck your
trade
real
more the
account.
founder one. I trade the founder one, but no, not too
No,
much.
but no, nah, nah. But I mean, it doesn't matter if it's funded or not. I mean, like on IC or whatever you use, just make a new account and
Bro,
do it for
I
news.
don't need trade this kind of size of lot. The people they have 100 key and trade with 35 lots or 50 lots and 40 lots. Man, that is not trade. That is gamble.
Mm, yeah.
That's my personal opinion. We can do whatever you want. The people can do whatever you want. You
Mhm.
wanna, if you wanna be gay, just do it. If you wanna, I don't give a shit.
Yeah.
But the problem is, that is something that I can tell. More of the people that I see in the market right now, that you say, oh, how long time you trade? 1 year, 2 years, or whatever. The guys gamble
Yeah.
all the time. The guys gamble. I see the other day the guy. Oh, I make a huge profit. I make 300. I see. Whoa, yeah, it's good. How size is your account? It's 1,000. Man,
Yeah.
yeah, this is a perfect. You make 30% in one day. That is perfect. But how much you risk for make that?
Exactly, bro.
I risk like whatever. I say, man, that is gamble because you're lucky that you make it. If you don't make it, you don't have this communication with me in this moment.
Yeah.
You wanna say, oh, I lose money. Oh, I copied the wrong trade. Oh, the fall is not mine. Yeah, the fall is yours, man. You click.
Yeah.
You have 1,000. If you make 100, oh my God, man, go go enjoy your day because 10% is too much.
Yeah. Very true. Wait 2 seconds. Just need to go do something for Caitlin. Need to take your passport or something. 2 seconds.
You go, Max, go shit. Oh, Brian, I know, I forget to send you the video, bro. But my routine right now is fucking chaotic. You guys have a fucking sex appeal shot here. Stop loss make. What's up, people in YouTube? People in YouTube, you guys enjoy? Everybody in profit? I know some cooks up there don't like me. Oh. Ooh, what's my name? Dark Banana. My name is Eloy Alvarez. We have a Max, the owner of the shot. If I drunk, no man, I'm not drunk. I talk to you like that.
Someone says in the chat, Elohe, temos de comer una surfada.
What happened? What happened, Max?
Someone says in the chat, Manuel says.
What chat?
Manuel
The
says,
YouTube?
yeah, he
YouTube
says,
chat?
yeah. Elohe, temos de combinar una surfada.
Manuel, BG, Eloy, temos combinar. Yeah, we can organize some surfing session. I don't know where you're from. I don't know if you are from to Portugal. But yeah, of course. Max, you need to take a short flight and come in here, my friend. Oh,
I might
no.
actually next year.
Do you want to send you the ticket?
I'll go surfing with you, bro. I've got no fucking holiday left for this.
Bro,
year. I've already
I
booked it off.
promise. I going to the beach with you 1 hour and I put you stand up in the board.
Really?
Yeah, 1 hour.
Wow. That would be pretty cool.
It's like you can put the people make money 1 hour.
That would be pretty fun, to be fair.
Well, you know the pool, the surf pool we have up there.
Mm-hmm.
You see already the surf pool. I think is in Bristol or something like that.
In Bristol, it's got like a manufactured one, like artificial or.
Yeah, it's a surf pool.
Yeah.
I want to go.
Yeah, that'll be fun.
I want to go like a holiday. You know, 2
That'll be
days.
sick.
And I think we do you guys have the Museum of Concord?
Oh, the
You know
plane. Yeah, bro.
That's one of my dreamings, man. Flying this fucking plane. That's never gonna happen. No, the supersonic.
The fuck slap sexy too. Take care, 11. Have a good day. Yeah, I mean, there's been no volume this morning. Fuck me. None. I want gold to come down a bit further here. Maybe 2065, then close above. Then the buys later on. You might catch up when the boys go in London. Yes. Yeah, Brian says he's going to go to London. Is Manuel coming as well? Oh my god. Full squad. Vamos sin Avera Vives Manuel.
Oh my god, man. We need to pay some hot teacher. We need to pay some hot teacher to show you how to speak Spanish.
Max, what is the stream percentage of Portuguese viewers? Because I'm starting to think we are a bunch. Oh, wait, have you Portuguese? How many Portuguese in the chat? Put in right now.
I really don't know, man. I have a couple passports.
You whatever you want to be.
Exactly. You know, if you make some mistake, just run it with when you don't have apologize to send you back. It's fucking cold, the water, bro.
Where in Portugal?
Oh my god, man. Yesterday I can feel my fingers.
Holy. Someone says, I'm not Portuguese, but I live in the Algarve in Portugal. Ah, yes. I do want to go to Portugal. I'm pretty sure Katie's going.
Manuel is a Latin name.
Manuel. How did you like that name, Manuel? Right, so I'm going to have to head off for you guys. Start another job for the day. But yeah, I mean, again, there's nothing too much this morning. Really no volume. Look at the hourly. I mean, it's literally moved.
What do you believe? He go down?
I think it might go down a little bit more. But again, there's just no volume. Look. Shit. Look at that. Yeah.
You know the problem is it's so heavy he broke in the 75, you know?
I think it's the daily low. Look, last daily closed bullish, making a lower wick, reflip, drive to the high. So I think buys later on.
Yeah, that is the opinion, but you know that you know this green candle is more bigger than the red one.
Yeah,
no?
That's true. Yeah, that is true. That's why I think waiting for the lower wick, see where it taps, reflip would be nice. But yeah, that bearish candle is bigger. You are right.
If he really flip and go up, he go to 100.
Yeah. Up to 2195 maybe. Right, see you later, guys. Thank you so much, Elohe. We'll see you later. Peace out, brother. Have a great rest of your day.
Love you.
Love you. Goodbye. See you later, alligator. See you later, alligator. See you later, YouTube. Thank you so much for coming on. Have a great day. We'll see you guys tomorrow. And peace out, dogs. Peace out.